Calling all watercolor lovers. Do you just love painting with watercolor or looking at watercolor? It's so pretty and fresh and vibrant. But do you struggle fitting that into your life every day? Do you struggle getting that fresh look that you see in other people's paintings that you love so much? Well, I'm Lindsay Weirich, and I would like to invite you to join me for 30 Days to Better Watercolor. In this course, we will use simple supplies to create 30 mini paintings. These classes will range between 10 and 40 minutes, so you can fit one in your day-to-day life. We're going to focus heavily on color mixing. We'll be using an inexpensive $20 set of paints, but we're only going to use 9 of those colors. So if you have painted at all before, you're probably all set with supplies. But I do have an inexpensive set of brushes and a box of watercolor greeting cards I'm going to recommend you pick up so that you can start off on the right foot, but for a low cost. We are going to paint a variety of different subject matters. We're going to use reference images from the Color Cube, but you do not need to own that to follow along. The goal of this course is to show you how to take a reference image, use it as inspiration, mix it with your imagination, and put it into a painting that you are going to love, and it's going to feel like it's painted just for you, just by you. And since we're working on watercolor greeting cards, you can mail it off to a friend, and I just absolutely love that. And it encourages you to paint a lesson maybe a couple times and really get to feel it. So you will have 30 lessons, 30 different paintings that you can do. Hopefully you'll do them a few times, and you get lifetime access for this class, so you can come back to it as many times as you want. If this sounds good to you, please click the link in the video description and join me for 30 Days to Better Watercolor. I hope to see you there.